Hello guys, Sheena here from AKMS Healthcare Private Limited Company. We will discuss about mini ultrasonic machine. This is mini ultrasonic machine. Here is on and off switch. Here we can on the machine. Machine is on, and this is ultrasonic wire with handle. We have to connect this wire here. This is for mode continuous mode and pulse mode. Here we can select continuous, and this is intensity, and intensity we have to increase according to the tolerance power of the patient. Here we can increase, and like this we can decrease the intensity. So we will check this ultrasonic probe. So with the help of water we can check. You can see here machine is working in the continuous mode. Hope you like this video. If you want to purchase mini ultrasonic machine or any other physiotherapy equipments, so you can contact us. Our contact number is given below in the. Thank you so much.